If your nail files have seen better days and they don't really work anymore, you can just cover them with a piece of sandpaper. This is 3M 220, so it's pretty fine, but it works well and it works a long time. Just throw your nail file on the edge there, trace around it with a pencil. And then use an old pair of scissors to cut it out. I'm going to go inside the draw line there. This is really a no-brainer. And I'm not going to worry about getting it too accurate on the curves, because once I glue it down with this school glue, I'm going to use an old beaten up file to trim the edge. So I've got my school glue. I'm going to put it all over here, just a light coating. And then some on the sandpaper. Don't have to go too crazy here. And then stick it down. Now these, I'm going to let it dry, but these edges can be pretty sharp. So that's why I'm going to use an old file after it dries to sand it like that on an angle. That's pretty much at the edge there. I could trim it with my scissors first. I probably will. And then I'll just use the nail file to file it on an angle like that, just to make sure that there's no overhang. I make these all the time. I'll probably put, well, this one's in rough shape, but it still works really well. But when it doesn't, I'm going to add a piece to that side too. Now, since it looks like it's curved, I'm going to put a book or something heavy on top of it. And that's how you do it.